Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to register a trademark in Saudi Arabia. First, you must conduct a thorough search to confirm your desired trademark is available. This crucial step helps avoid conflicts with existing marks. Next, classify your goods and services using the International NICE classification system, which organizes products into 45 distinct categories. Finally, gather all necessary documents, such as a power of attorney and a high-quality image of your trademark, for submission. Once your preparations are complete, the next step is to submit your application. You will file your complete application online via the official Saudi Authority for Intellectual Property portal. Be sure to pay the initial application fee, which is approximately 1,000 Saudi riyals. Following submission, the Saudi Authority for Intellectual Property will conduct a formal examination, typically within 7 working days, to ensure all requirements are met. After submission, the Saudi Authority for Intellectual Property thoroughly examines your application for distinctiveness and adherence to regulations. If it passes this review, your trademark will be published in the official gazette. This initiates a 60-day opposition period, during which any third party can file an objection if they believe your trademark infringes upon their rights. This transparency ensures fairness in the registration process. Finally, if no valid oppositions are successfully raised, your trademark will be officially registered. A registration certificate is then issued upon payment of the final fee, which is approximately 5,000 Saudi riyals. Your trademark will be valid for 10 Hijri years from its filing date, offering robust protection. Remember, this protection can be renewed indefinitely for successive 10-year periods, ensuring your brand's continuous security.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.